Hey guys, it's me again. Do this unboxing and first impression. I had to check to see what this was a clone of because I knew it was a clone of a Perfumes de Marlee, but I didn't know which one. Apparently, it's Pegasus. I don't know if it was Pegasus I had years ago or another Perfumes de Marlee, but I remember liking it okay, but the ex, well, wasn't the ex at the time, really liked it, so she took it and wore it, so definitely unisex. Anyway, there's Craze, the box, nothing overly fancy. It does open up like this. You take it out, and yeah, just got a little hole in the back. You can pop that out. There's the bottle. Not a big fan of this bottle. It's a little, yeah, whatever though. It's just a bottle. It's got that leather thing. It says Craze around here. Craze Armaf. Just want to say where it was made, because you people like to. Made in France. Made in Paris. Oh, not a very good cap. But anyway, it's even a cheap cap, even for Armaf. Alright, well, yeah, let's give this one a spray. A wide spray for Armaf, a little different. Yeah, it was Pegasus I had. I don't remember a whole lot about it, but I remember that opening. Almond and heliotrope and vanilla. So sweet and nutty. I didn't dislike it. I actually kind of liked it, but the ex at the time, well, the girlfriend at the time really liked it, so she wore it. It smelled really good on her. So yeah, definitely the almond and the heliotrope kind of give it a with the sweet vanilla, kind of give it a Di Serono, the alcohol there. Kind of give it that kind of a vibe. Same kind of vibe I get from Givenchy pie. This isn't as sweet as Givenchy pie, but kind of has that same amaretto liqueur kind of smell to it. I do remember the Pegasus lasting forever. I don't know how long this one's going to last. It's projecting really good though, so yeah. Yeah, sweet almond is what I get from it. I think that's probably what most people get from it. That's pretty much what I remember Pegasus being, famous for, was that almond heliotrope type note. So I'm not a big fan of the bottle. The scent is okay. It's okay. Pegasus is one of the easier to wear niche clones I find, because again, it's one of those ones that kind of has that designer smell to them. Doesn't use a whole lot of daring, weird, like the Silver Mountain Water Derby Club has that animalistic inky thing off the top. This doesn't. It's just sweet almond right off the top, and it kind of stays that way if I remember right. Pretty much the whole life of the fragrance. When I review it, of course, I'll get into the dry downs and stuff, but right off the top, amaretto liqueur, like a Di Serono kind of vibe to it. Not unpleasant at all, actually. Very nice. yeah, I can see myself. Some woods coming out too. Some kind of floral and woods are coming out. So we'll see. There you go. First impression of Craze for men. And we'll see when I review it. Peace. Love. Be good to each other, guys.